Crystal Movies, one of my favorites. Subscribe, y'all. You should. You have to. You must. If you love me, you should. Peace.
Even people who get money, they no carry money come this world. This life, I'm gonna chop, I chop. This life, I'm gonna hustle, it go pay. Last, you go, they jolly, they go. Last, I'm gonna chop, I chop. Last, everybody go, they happy. Last, everything go better.
Yeah, Mr. Mark.
Mr. Ike, you're welcome to us.
I hope the rooms are ready.
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So, how many numbers are we expecting this time?
Like 7, 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, give me room 101, 104, 105.
No, you can actually just get rooms that are alike.
Okay. Okay, just give me like 4K. Okay, thank you. Please come with me, sir.
All right. Go.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, my brother.
It's been a year long now.
Anything where you they do for life, make you remember God's way. Anywhere where you they go for life, way, make you remember God's way.
Are you sure you can do this? Feel relaxed. After today, you will confirm that cooking is where I was born. Yes. Relax. Don't worry, just relax.
So I should go.
Yes, just go.
Anything where you they do for life, make you remember God's way. Anywhere where you they go for life, way, make you remember God's way. Even people who get money, they no carry money come this world. This life, I'm gonna chop, I chop. This life, I'm gonna hustle, it go pay. Last, you go, they jolly, they go. Last, I'm gonna chop, I chop. Last, everybody go, they happy. Last, everything go better. This life, you know, easy, brother. Last, go, they jolly, they go. Last, everything go better. Last, go, they jolly, they go. No be who run race, they carry first, brother. Last, go, they jolly, they go. Ijo, I the reason, brother. Last, go, they jolly, they go. This life, you know, easy, brother. Last, go, they jolly, they go. Last, everything goes to, brother. Last, go, they jolly, they go. Last, everything go balance well. Last, go, they jolly, they go. Last, everything go better. Last, everything. Last, everybody go jolly. Last,
Thank you, sir. I like everything nice. Thank you, sir. Meanwhile,
The food?
the food. You already know our demands. Okay? Make sure I can count on you.
We will serve you better this time.
Nice. All right. I'll see more of you soon.
All right, thanks for coming.
All right. You're a good man.
How far?
Sir, I think we should tell them that we don't have their demand. Rather than them eating what they don't like, it will completely scare them away. That will not be good.
It's better to take the risk because it's even riskier allowing them to go to another place. They may not return to this place. I don't even have enough customer, not to talk more of losing one that is one of our biggest customers.
Sir, nah, this is a big risk, sir.
Let's take the risk. Let's take the risk. Forget about that one. the best thing you need to do is just supervise her. Make sure she has everything she needs. Just supervise her. But tell her not to use so much pepper.
Eh?
Yes.
Sir, when I went there, I saw pepper as in full bowl like this. Pepper was inside. But I don't know if she'll finish all of them, but the pepper was much.
Tell her not to use so much pepper. Mr. Ike doesn't like so much pepper. Instead, let her not use our normal pepper. Let her use Tapache, Cameroon, or something. I don't want the one that he will finish eating and come out and be doing everywhere. That will make it worse. Go. Just supervise her.
Okay, sir.
Hey.
We are done serving them, sir.
Yes. So what is their reactions?
No reactions yet. He said I should come out and get something for him. I'll be right back.
Oh, go ahead.
Mr. Mark.
Yes.
Who made that meal? Because I am sure it was not your former cook.
I want to be honest with you. Our cook was ill. It was just one native girl that we employed as a cleaner. And she claimed she can make native dishes. And I didn't want to lose you because you're one of our biggest customers. I had to allow her to do the cooking. Please, forgive us. Please.
Can I see the cook?
Mr. Ike, I know we made mess already. Please, just forgive her. Forgive us, please.
It's just a request. I want to see the cook.
Okay, if you insist. Nonye, you and Esther should come over to my office now. Bring her here. She has caused no mess. I'm still apologizing.
Esther, I thought you said that. Now see what you've caused for us. Somebody there collecting the food. Esther, they want to see you. Hey! Let's go, Joe. Esther, let's go. You see what you've caused. Let's go.
Who amongst you cooked that food?
Me, sir.
You, sir. I ask again. Who amongst you made that meal?
Sir. Me, sir.
Where are you from?
Ogidi.
Ogidi? I remember my mother was working with a boss from Ogidi when I was a kid. Nice. Congratulations. My friends said that was the best meal they had in years.
That's me, sir.
I mean, and for me, you are the best cook in the world. Yeah, that's something else.
Oh, really?
Listen, I advise you sack your old cook and make her the chief cook. What are CPCs, man?
Okay,
Do I have my... Oh, somewhere. I don't know. Maybe in the car. Okay. Hey, this is my card.
Yes, sir.
Give me a call.
I will, sir.
Maybe we'll do something, alright? Yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. Your GM is my mindset, man. Alright, so I see you.
Stefan,
More of you.
thank you so much.
More of you.
I appreciate it.
More of you. You need a Siwaga. I a Siwaga. How are you? Okay. Alright.
You, sir. Now it's you.
Yes, sir. Sit.
And that doesn't warrant you sitting. I have not asked you to sit.
That's why I stood up, sir. That was how I met Ikichukwu. He started coming around, telling me how much he liked my food. He bought me gifts. Lots of gifts. I thought it was all because he liked my food.
Nim, you're very lucky.
Damn. Bichono. And then he told me that he was in love with me. I accepted him. So he invited me to meet his parents.
So calm down. Tell me what happened. Did they beat you?
Uche, if they had beaten me up, that would have been a lot better. They threw insults at me. All manner of insults. It was unimaginable.
I'm so sorry, okay? Okay? Say, if it's for you, you will definitely come back to me.
No. I don't need him, Uchechi. In fact, I'm never going back to that city. Thank you very much for all the gift. The last one you bought for me, very beautiful.
Well, I am ready to do more because you deserve it.
Thank you. I was thinking, is it because of my food that why you buy me all these gifts? Because it's a lot though. It's a lot.
Well, apart from loving your food, I have also come to realize how beautiful you are.
But I knew it. I knew that there was something underneath all these things you are doing. Thank God I have not started using any of the gifts that you gave to me.
Well, there's nothing underneath except L-O-V-E. I love you.
Hey! Mama said it. Mama said it.
What is wrong with you? I am ready to brush you and make you beautiful.
I am a teach that you want to brush. What did I do to you?
Well, what I mean is, I want you to be mine.
Esther, still people have come again. Run, Esther. Run. They have come.
No,
Hey, do not come close.
I don't know what. You just come out.
Hey! You cannot sit down. Oh! Because it's it. This is it. People have come again. They have come again. What? I do not know. Esther, what is it? What is it? What happened?
Is anything wrong with her? Is she okay?
Please, don't be offended. Forgive her. What happened? What did she do?
Okay, please let her know that I mean no harm. Huh? And I just want us to be friends. I want us to be close, if you understand what I mean.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand. Please, I will talk to her. Just don't be offended.
Alright, it's okay, it's fine. I should be on my way now, okay?
Okay.
Alright?
Esther, what is wrong with you? You should be singing hallelujah, thanking God for sending such a man to you.
Yeah. Why do you always think that you have sense? Because from the way I'm looking at you now, your brain is empty, Ngozi. Your brain is empty.
Are you insulting me for telling you what is right for you?
No. I'm telling you what I am seeing. If you have brain, you will ask yourself, that kind of rich man, how can he fall in love with me?
Look, you should be happy you won his love. Yes.
Suzupueba, I don't know what you are saying. So a man that is that classy, with money, levels, respect, he will not come and say he has fallen in love with me. He do not see any other person that he will like. Okay, what does he like in my body now? Is this my flying boat nose? Or this my police cap hairstyle? That is why the rich man has fallen in love with me.
Esther, there is something called grace. Sometimes someone might like this and that person won't. There is something he likes about you. Yes, there must be.
He strikes me like all those money ritual people. Yes, he's looking for somebody or something that he will use and go and do ritual. I came to this city with my 2 breasts complete. I will not go back with 1.5. If you are interested, go and apply in person.
Huh?
Hey. Ritual. Oh, ritual purposes. Ritual. And it's always the right breast they like to use. I do not want that. Go and apply in person.
Esther, who did this to you? Do you know how many girls that will grab this opportunity?
Grab it. You grab it. And you go to the village and inform them what happened to your right breast. When it happens, don't say I did not want you. It's the right breast they like to use.
Why are you doing this? Can you just hop in? Let me drop you off.
What's the problem? You have been following me since 3 streets away. I don't want any problem. Please, I'm okay. I can trek.
I know you're okay. All I'm asking is give me your heart. I will treasure it.
My heart is in God's hand. It's safe out there. Please, sir.
Can you stop? Okay, why are you doing this? I like you and that's why I'm following you up and down. I want to know you. For crying out loud, why are you doing all these things? Eh? It's not... Yeah, it's not ordinary because I like you so much. It shouldn't be ordinary. Please, don't do this now. Don't do this. Stop now. Let me just hop in. I want to know you. That's why I'm following you up and down.
He told me he loved me. And I accepted. He invited me to come meet his parents. Calm down. Tell me what happened. Did they beat you? Uchechi, if they had beaten me up, that would have felt a lot better. But they threw insults at me. It was unimaginable.
I'm so sorry, okay? If it's for you, definitely we will come back for you.
No. I do not want him. In fact, I'm not going back to that city.
problem.
I know the way you came, there's problem. What is it? What is it?
The manager dupe of 100 million.
My manager?
Yes.
100 million? How? How?
Chief, I was just coming from his house now.
So what did he say?
He hung himself in his living room.
He did what?
Hey!
He hung himself.
Chief! Hey! Chief! Don't do this to me! Chief! Hey! Chief! Driver! Driver! Chief! Driver! Chief! Please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me.
There's nothing good about the day. You knew she was coming to see my parents. And yet you allowed her dressed like that.
I'm so sorry. Honestly, I tried to stop her.
Did I say you should stop her? Did I say you should stop her? You should have dressed her up. You should have just given her some sense. You know how her dressing sense is.
Honestly, I tried. I even offered her my own dress, but she refused.
You should be at your best to touch her up. At least she's your cousin. And you know what we are going into. Do you know how my parents perceived me?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. Honestly, I tried.
I am so disappointed.
Esther, what is this?
What is what?
I mean, where are you going to dress like this?
Huh? At times you ask very foolish questions. Huh? You and I discussed yesterday night about how I'm going to go and see Michael Chukwu's parents today. And you are here now asking me when I'm going to like this.
Hey.
What did we discuss yesterday?
Hey. Esther, you are going to Ikechukwu house dressed like this. How do you want him to see you?
With his eyes. If he does not see me with his eyes, will he see me with his nose? His eyes now.
Hey. Your dressing is awkward. At least go inside. Go and change.
Baby. Stop, please. John, I don't want that nonsense. It took me 2 hours to get dressed. Be ready to go. 2 hours. I do not want your customer out of my body before I leave. Better go.
Esther, you know you're my sister and I love you so much. Please, can you just come so that I will clean your makeup? At least I will make you up. Then you go and change this clothes. You can't wear this to Ikechukwu's house. You can't. It's not looking nice at all.
Yeah? What is the difference between your makeup and my makeup? The only thing you have I don't have is the eye. What is the difference? How did you carve your own? How did I carve my own? Biachom, I don't want... I get annoyed with you. I get annoyed with you and I'll get annoyed with you now.
Sorry.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir. Esther.
Esther! I'm not going... Esther, will you come back here? I really tried my best. But Esther, she's really a hard nut to crack. You cannot easily convince her, seriously.
Okay, can I see her at least? Please.
She came back, crying bitterly, and I asked her, what's the problem? She refused to tell me.
Then?
She packed her things and went back to the village.
What did you say? She packed her things. Why didn't you stop her? Why didn't you stop her? How can you do this to me?
I tried.
Can I get a glass of water, please?
Okay.
finally lost her.
Wait. So you are here dying over a girl while your father is battling with his life in the hospital?
My father?
Yes, your father. You heard me right.
Duka, my father?
Who is here? He just didn't even pay for his drink and he's running away.
Mama, what is going on here? Eh? What did you do with all the money I sent to you?
Hey, I'm using it to my business here now.
Which business? Because there's nothing inside this place, so there's no food stuff there. Only 20 plantain, 10 fish, 6 meat, and 10 egg. That is everything I'm seeing here. There's no food stuff inside. Even when we didn't have anything, we're better off than this.
Thank God you said we. Esther, it is not easy doing business without you in this place.
Okay. Thank God I'm no more going back to the city. I'm here now.
No. I know it won't be easy doing business without you. But I still want you to walk out there. Go to the city. To a more civilized area. Socialize with people like you. Your mates. It's not easy. Because you're a woman. Don't be an idiot like me.
Mama, I'm not going back to the city. I'm not going back to the city. I'll be here. Everybody must not live in the city.
So you want to water brain like me, like you used to call me?
Everybody must not be in the city, Mama. That's why there's no food stuff here. Huh? Two Fanta. 2 Fanta inside the fridge. 2 Fanta.
Anything where you they do for life, make you remember God's way. Or that dig it. Anywhere where you they go for life, way, make you remember God.
See this book they have been reading since morning. List of people owing me. Mama? You mean all these people are owing you?
Yes, so the economy is so bad now. People can barely feed.
And you chose to feed them, right? Huh? Chief Okeke is owing you 5,000 naira. Are you serious or you just wrote this down?
Oh, he's owing me. Without he doesn't even come to my shop to eat anymore.
Mama! Mama! So since he stopped coming to your shop to eat, has he died of hunger? Huh? He just chose to become a Father Christmas or a Mother Christmas, okay? Eh? Yes! A plate of food is 200 naira. Is that not how much you sell it? And you allowed one person to eat until he got to 5,000 naira on credit. Yeah. Uchechi, my friend, is also owing you. Last, everything will be alright. Last, everybody here. Last, everybody here will be alright. She'll be well. I know what to do. Hey! A plate of food you sell 200 naira. You allowed one person to come and eat until he got to 5,000 naira. Last, all of us will be fine. Last, we'll all be healthy and fine. I know what to do.
Esther, this one on your face is like this. I hope you're not going to attack somebody.
Esther is going to attack a lot of people. Because every single person that is owing my mother today must pay. They must pay.
Almost everybody that eats from your mother owes her. Huh? I wanted to even tell you your mother is becoming too cold.
Becoming too cold?
To handle the business.
Yes! Too soft, too cold to handle that business.
Very
Not that go. Because I calculated it.
Last, I thought about it. I've weighed my options. Last, I sat down and I calculated it. Last, I made up my mind now. The best thing for me to do, last, as a reasonable child now, is to start from you. You are not ashamed of yourself. You who ought to be giving her. You are owing my mother. Eh? You went and sat down, swallowed all the food, and you are owing her. You did not pay.
Esther, you know life in the village is very hard. Would you like it if they tell your friend died of hunger? I know I'm owing your mother. I will definitely pay. I will pay.
I also know that you have sold your camels. So, if you cannot pay everything, you give me 400 naira from the one you are owing.
Abba, now Esther, I told you I wanted to use that money to buy bra. My bras are old already.
You are lucky. Because my mother went to the market, cooked the food, came to sell the food, so that she can raise some money to buy bra, to pack herself well. You are also lucky again, because you are still intact. The money has given back to me. It's over. So, she really needs money to buy bra, to get herself together. So, Biko, anyway, I do not want to shout. Give me 400 naira from this your money. I write down the balance and I keep it for you.
Esther, we are friends.
It will not be good for them to hear that I remove the clothes from your body. Give me 400 naira now. I write the remaining balance down for you.
Esther, we are friends.
Yeah.
Esther, we are friends.
Give me the 400 naira, Biko. See the money for the candles you sold. See it. Give me 400 naira. To buy bra, to hold yourself. My mother does not deserve to hold herself. Everybody is good. My friends, we'll see you later. Oh?
Onowu is a wicked man. Onowu is very, very wicked. How can he expect us to break this whole firewood before he will pay us? Okay, we ask him to pay us for the one we did before. Can you imagine?
Onowu is a very wicked man. Onowu wants hunger to hand me over to my ancestors. Instead, he will die first.
Let's go to Madam Agnes' shop. Let's go.
Madam Agnes' shop. I am owing that woman 1,000 naira, and I told me to also. I don't want to owe her again.
I'm owing that woman too. But see the issue. Let's go there first. I know that woman very well. That woman Bono Bioma. She's a good woman. Who will be sorry go there. See, the only thing we do now is to go there and eat on credit, and she will sell to us. It's better we owe her and stay alive than without hunger. What are you saying?
Come here, on your job, you will still pay. One problem. I don't know if there is fire on the mountain or mountain on the fire. Auntie Esther is around. I don't know if she will agree. Auntie Esther is around.
See, if anyone loses this idea, and then when I can wait, we will go there first. When we reach there, we will explain this to her. I go all of my God. Now, we go there and talk to her.
That is why I'm called you and you are so.
Who is here?
Who is here?
What's up? Azuka. Please come and stand here.
I greet you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hey.
Pay your debt. I slap you. I say pay your debt.
Auntie Esther, it's not that we don't want to pay the debt.
Yes.
It's just that we don't have money. We don't have money. 1 naira.
So, since you have been working for Onowu, Onowu has not paid you.
Onowu has never paid us. I'm with the money that man. Just somebody that is for nothing. That man is a wicked man. Shush.
Just I leave Akpu and Ofuluku. Put roundabout.
My own is giving me Akpu. Not the type of work. Yeah, one day, this is the problem. Let me be drawing you.
I'm here. Hey.
In fact, I'm cold pure water. I want to drink water.
Give me big Pepsi Orobo. Okay.
No problem.
Hey. She's like the water. Move his hand aside. I'm making it.
Bend down there. Huh? Bend down. Bend down. If you know what to die, give me the money you are owing my mother. You have been owing her for more than a month. You cannot tell me that Ono has not paid you. Did you hear me?
We don't have anything. We don't have any money here.
You don't have any money?
We don't have fish.
You want to remove your dress? Remove your shirt!
Dress?
Remove your shirt. You want to correct me?
I will give you the money later.
No.
Sorry, please now.
Put your trouser! Hey!
No.
My family. My family.
Kneel down. Pull it. Give me. Give me head. Stop it. Put the slippers. I'll slap you now. And just now what? Put the slippers. Kneel down there. Kneel down.
I'll give you tomorrow.
Pull it.
I'll bring you tomorrow.
So you know that tomorrow?
I'll bring you tomorrow.
You came my ex after my mother has suffered. You did not pay back. Say you bring tomorrow. You came here now. You want dra. You want Pepsi? Kneel down there. You either give me that money or you go make it. Put the singlet. Why you singlet? Give me that singlet. Either pay that money or you go make it. You go naked. Until I'm playing with you.
I'll bring you tomorrow.
Go naked. Bring the money now, you go naked.
I'll handle it.
Sir.
Yes.
We are gradually losing our customers, sir.
I get call every now and then from our customers saying that they don't like our local dishes anymore. That is not testing the way it used to test. What is going on?
It's Esther. Esther did not even give us any notice before leaving. She just left us. We pay her very well, like very well. I still wonder why she left us.
I'll leave it for you as an assignment. Find Esther. Wherever she is, find her. Tell her we'll be paying her double amount of what she was earning before.
What?
You heard me?
Double?
You heard me?
Sir, that's the exact amount of my salary now.
Again, man. And then? Huh? If we don't get her back and get back our customers, how am I even going to make the money that I'm even paying you? Let me tell you, I give you from now till the end of the week. If you don't find Esther, I'm going to slash your salary into 2. So if you like, find her. Better. Don't talking like masquerade.
Anything where you they do for life, make you remember God's way. Or that diggity. Anywhere where you they go for life, way, make you remember God's way. Or that diggity. no carry money come this world. This life, I'm on a chop, I chop. This life, I'm on a hustle, it go pay. Last, we go the jolly, they go. Last, I'm on a chop, I chop. Last, everybody go they happy. Last, everything go better. This life is no easy, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. Last, everything go better. Last, go they jolly, they go. No be who run race, they carry first, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. Ijo, I the reason, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. This life is no easy, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. Last, everything goes to, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. Last, everything go balance well. Last, go they jolly, they go. Last, everything go better. Last, everything go go. Last, everybody go they jolly. Last, go they jolly, they go. This life is no easy, brother. Last, go they jolly, they go. Anything where you they do for life, make you remember God's way. Or that diggy. Anywhere where you they go for life, way, make you remember God's way. Or that diggy. Even people who get money, they no carry money come this world. This life, I'm on a chop, I chop. This life, I'm on a hustle, it go pay. Last, we go they jolly, they go.